From a DUI, pending assault charges, and separate vandalism charges, Justin Bieber can't stay out of the negative headlines. Now the singer is in hot water again for telling a racist joke in a video from when he was 15. Here's the video from TMZ.
Why are black people afraid of chainsaws?
Don't even say it. Don't say
Run,
it.
JB reacted quickly, posting this heartfelt apology on Twitter. As a kid, I didn't understand the power of certain words and how they can hurt. I thought it was okay to repeat hurtful words in jokes, but didn't realize at the time that it wasn't funny and that, in fact, my actions were continuing the ignorance. Despite the nasty headlines, some of the singer's closest friends, who are not in fact white, are standing behind the star. Floyd Mayweather says he still supports the pop star and posted a recent photo with Justin, writing, "Justin has been nothing but kind to me, my daughters, and sons over the years. We all make mistakes when we are young. It's part of growing up. I am proud of what he's doing as a 20-year-old musician and businessman." Soulja Boy says JB should be forgiven and doesn't feel Bieber should be held accountable for something he said when he was 15. He also says Justin is still his boy and people should not think that Justin is racist because he isn't. And Kenny Hamilton, Bieber's ex-bodyguard, posted, "If someone is racist or prejudiced, you would know from a person's actions. Not because of a joke a 15-year-old says. Yes, he said some bad jokes, and I know if he could, he would take back what was said. As a black man, I am telling the world that Justin Bieber is not a racist. I have known him since he was 12 years old, and I know his heart." Subscribe here for the latest coming out of Hollywood. Click here for Justin Bieber's DUI arrest story. And to see One Direction's hot drama, just click right here.